Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel that I post myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, let's continue with learning ReactJS from scratch tutorial 3rd. So guys, in this working video, I will show you how to create new component and call that component into our app.js file. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please post the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest React updates. So guys, here we go. And guys, also please support me via subscribing my channel. So guys, here we go. So let's see our React project is working fine and here is our React project. So guys, now I will create new components and it is very easy. First, I will create new folder inside source folder. Folder name will be components. Components. Wait, and now I will create new file inside component. Name head.js. Create a file. So guys, here is our blank head.js file, and now I will make it component. Function name will be head return. Guys, I will include my navbar into it. Import default import default our. So guys, the base structures component has been ready. And now I will add my navbar code inside add component. So I will call via save it. I need to call all these modules inside head. Also the component, sorry, the container module as well. Guys, our head component has been ready, and now I will call that component inside my this file, and it is very easy. Import head. So guys, our head component has been called. First, I will save it and save it. Now you will see that is black now. Now I will call that head component. Head guys component has been called. Now we will see. Wait. So guys, see the component has been called and showing the output. Again, I'll create one more component called home.js. Home.js. Wait, component has been called. The basic structure. I see it is very easy. Create component. Div class name will be head. Sorry, home component works, and here will be port default component name, component ready, same call the component here. Wait, now inside container I will call the home component. Wait, all the things have been ready. We will see the output. See guys, home component works well. So guys, have you seen create components and call components into other components? It's working fine. So guys, see it's very easy. And guys, I hope you will like it. And if you like it, so please subscribe my channel and support me because I will come with more easy content for you. And in the next we will do the routing and hooks as well. So friends, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.